Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi Redmi 9C and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the timestamp watermark in the camera at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner to this button. When we pick this we get access to more options about the camera we can manage. Now let's pick this button from the left with settings. So here we can open the advanced camera settings. As you can see, at the first place we have add timestamp on photos option. So by using this button we can easily turn on the timestamp watermark, and by just another tap here we can turn it off. Like that. So for now let me keep this turned on. Let's go back to the camera to take a picture. And to see the picture, let's move here to the left corner at the bottom to this button, so we get quick access to the gallery. This is our photo. As you can see, the timestamp watermark is here in the right corner at the bottom. Let's get closer to it. And this is how it looks like. Of course, when you don't need this, you can easily go back to the camera, then to the settings in the right corner. Pick once again this settings from the left and use this button to turn it off. Now when you take another picture, the timestamp watermark should be not visible at it. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.